Hello everyone. Now in our fluid mechanics and hydraulics, today we are going to see our most important topic. Next topic, fluid as a continuum. Now before we going to see our next topic, in a previous video we saw that application of fluid mechanics, types of fluid. So first of all, what is application of fluid mechanics? It is used for hydraulic structure, design of hydraulic structure like dam, canal, weir, etc. Design of machinery like pump, turbine, etc. Design of aeroplane and ships. Design and analysis of gas turbine, rocket engine, etc. Fluidic control devices, both pneumatic and hydraulic. Method and devices for the measurement of various parameters and velocity of fluid at rest or in motion. Human blood circulatory system. So it is the application of fluid mechanics. Then types of fluid. So various types of fluid are: first is ideal fluid, real fluid, Newtonian fluid, नॉन न्यूटोनियन फ्लूइड एंड आइडल प्लास्टिक फ्लूइड. ठीक है, ये सब हमने देखा था प्रीवियस वीडियो में. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट, फ्लूइड इज ए कंटिन्यूम. सो ऑल फ्लूइड आर कंपोज ऑफ स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल विच आर इन कांस्टेंट मोशन. ठीक है, हमने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंट्रोडक्शन में देखा था ऑल फ्लूइड हैव अ नंबर ऑफ मोलिक्यूलर. जैसे कि सॉलिड पार्टिकल है, सो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द स्मॉल मोलिक्यूलर आर वेरी स्मॉल. देन in a liquid, distance between molecule are large, and in air, distance between the molecule are very large. So the distance between molecular is very large as compared with the molecular diameter. The molecules are not fixed in a lattice but move about freely relatively to each other. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा होगा, डायमीटर कम होगा, एट द टाइम जो मूवमेंट होगी मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर, जो लैटिस फॉर्म करेगा वो फ्रीली मूव करेगा. सो देयरफॉर फ्लूइड डेंसिटी मास पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम हैज़ नो precise meaning because the number of molecule occupying a given volume continuously changes. So this molecule agitate and collide with one another. The average distance then the particle move before collision, it is known as the mean free path. Most important definition. अब क्या मीन फ्री पार्ट किसे बोलेंगे? जो एवरेज डिस्टेंस है मॉलिक्यूल और पार्टिकल, कुछ भी बोलो, जो पार्टिकल है फ्लूइड के अंदर, तो वो कोलाइजन से पहले मूव करेगा, उसके बीच जो डिस्टेंस है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? मीन फ्री पार्ट. द एवरेज डिस्टेंस दैट पार्टिकल मूव बिफोर कोलाइजन इज नोन एज मीन फ्री पार्ट. द डिस्टेंस इज वेरी स्मॉल. डिस्टेंस कितना रहेगा? वेरी स्मॉल. इट मे बी नॉट दैट 1 मीटर क्यूब ऑफ एयर at STP standard temperature and pressure contain about 2.5 10 raised to 25 molecule which have the mean free path of about 5 to 10 raised to minus 5 mm. Now next is a continuous distribution of matter with no voids or empty spaces is called continuum. What is continuum? So a continuous distribution of matter with no voids or empty spaces is called continuum. ठीक है, जो पार्टिकल है उसका क्या होगा? कंटिन्यूस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होगा. ठीक है, अब सॉलिड कंटेन मैटर. ठीक है, मास किसे बोलेंगे? जो मैटर कंटेन इन द बॉडी. बॉडी के अंदर क्या होगा? मैटर. एट द टाइम जो कंटिन्यूस मैटर का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होगा विथ नो वॉइड्स और एम्प्टी स्पेसिस इज अ कोल्ड कंटिन्यूम. वाटर फ्लोइंग थ्रू पाइप्स और चैनल, इट इज द वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कंटिन्यूम. In most engineering application, the size of the passage through which the fluid flow is very large in comparison with the size of the molecule and the main free part. ठीक है, इंजीनियरिंग एप्लीकेशन में क्या कहा गया है? द साइज ऑफ द पैसेज. ठीक है, पैसेज के अंदर जो फ्लूइड फ्लो होगा इज वेरी लार्ज इन कंपेरिजन विद द साइज ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूलर एंड द मीन फ्री पार्ट. The average effect of the movement of the molecule on the properties of the fluid are almost constant. The engineer is generally interested in the average or microscopic effect of molecule. For all practical purpose, the fluid assumed to as continuum. अब क्या करेगा जो इंजीनियरिंग जनरली किस में इंटरेस्टेड होगा, एवरेज और माइक्रोस्कोपिक इफेक्ट ऑफ मोलेक्यूल, मोलेक्यूल का एवरेज और माइक्रोस्कोपिक इफेक्ट का एनालाइज करेगा. नाउ फॉर ऑल प्रैक्टिकल पर्पस द फ्लूइड एज्यूम इज अ कंटिन्यूम. ठीक है, फ्लूइड को हम क्या एज्यूम करेंगे, एज अ कंटिन्यूम. कंटिन्यूस मीडियम, fluid properties such as a mass density, pressure, viscosity, temperature are assumed to have a definite value at each point to the continuum. These properties are considered to be continuous function of space and time. The concept of continuum is not valid for gases at very low pressure because the distribution of matter is not continuous. Now the concept of continuum is arbitrary. It is very useful in simplifying the mathematical analysis. Without the concept of continuum, one would have to be take into account the action of each molecule and group of molecules separately in the fluid flow. ठीक है. Now finally क्या है कि the concept of continuum is arbitrary. Concept क्या है continuum का, it is arbitrary. It is very useful in simplifying the mathematical analysis. ठीक है, mathematical analysis is useful. Without the concept of continuum, one would have to take into account the action of each molecule or a group of molecules separately in a fluid flow. Now next, most important theory, properties of fluid. So there are different type of fluid have a different properties. So first is density or a mass density, specific weight or specific density, weight density, specific volume, specific gravity, surface tension, cohesion, adhesion, capillarity, viscosity, bulk modulus of elasticity, compressibility and vapor pressure. So here different type of fluid have different properties. The first is density. So mass upon volume, we normally know that density is a mass of a volume. So here fluid is given, so mass density is equal to mass of fluid upon volume of fluid, rho equal to m by v. So with increase in temperature, mass density decrease, temperature बढ़ेगा, density कम होगी. Absolute quantity does not change with location. As per a pressure increase, mass density increase, pressure increase होगा, density increase होगी. So it is defined as the ratio of mass of fluid to its volume. Now for a water, density is 1000 kilogram meter cube, mercury 13,600 kilogram meter cube, for air 1.2 kilogram meter cube, steel 7850 kilogram meter cube. Now next is specific weight or weight density. So it is defined as the ratio of weight of a fluid to its volume. Weight density is equal to weight of fluid or volume of fluid. Weight density is equal to weight of fluid upon volume of fluid. Small w equal to capital W upon V. Weight density, weight and volume. The unit of weight density is Newton per meter cube or kilonewton per meter cube. Now we know that weight equal to mass upon gravitational force. ठीक है, weight क्या है, weight is equal to mass into gravitational force. So simply put in above equation, W equal to mg. So weight density equal to mg by v. But we know that density is equal to mass upon value, so rho into g. So weight density is equal to mass density into gravitational force. So specific weight of water, so mass density of water 1000 multiplied by g 9.81, so 9810 Newton per meter cube. Now specific volume, the volume per unit mass of a fluid is called specific volume. So specific volume is equal to volume of a fluid divided by mass of fluid. So Vs equal to V by M. Vs equal to specific volume equal to volume of fluid upon mass of fluid. So it is the reciprocal of the mass density unit of specific volume. So mass, here difference between mass density and weight density. So it is defined as the ratio of mass and volume, and weight density ratio of weight and volume. मास डेंसिटी क्या है? मास अपन वॉल्यूम. वेट डेंसिटी क्या है? वेट अपन वॉल्यूम. मास डेंसिटी यूनिट इज किलोग्राम मीटर क्यूब. वेट डेंसिटी इज न्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब. मास डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर इज 1000 किलोग्राम मीटर क्यूब, and weight density for water 9810 Newton per meter cube. Now specific gravity or relative density. So specific gravity is defined as the ratio of the weight density of a fluid to the weight density of a standard fluid. So specific gravity is equal to weight density of liquid upon weight density of water. For a liquid, water at 4 ounce Celsius temperature is taken as a standard liquid. For a gaseous, hydrogen gas is at 0 ounce Celsius temperature is taken as a standard gas. For a density of liquid, S into density of water, we know that density of water 1000 kilogram meter cube. So specific gravity is also called relative density. Specific gravity indicates lightness and heaviness of liquid is compared to water, and specific gravity of water is 1. For a steel is 7.85 and specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. So here some different properties of fluid. Now example is given. For a liquid having a mass 2000 kg and volume 2.5 meter cube, calculate mass density and weight density. Very easy example. First of all, given data क्या है? Mass, so m equal to 2000 kg, volume is given 2.5 meter cube, v equal to 2.5 meter cube. Calculate mass density and weight density. We know that mass density rho equal to m by v. M is equal to 2000 divided by v 2.5, so it is 800 kilogram meter cube. Same way weight density, W equal to mg. Sorry, we know that W equal to weight upon volume, but how we can find weight? We know that mass into gravitational force. So we have value of mass, it is 2000 multiplied by g 9.81, so it is 19620. So put this value in equation. W, so 19620 divided by v 2.5, so W equal to 7848 Newton per meter cube. ठीक है, वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल. फॉर्मूला याद रखो, पुट द वैल्यू एंड सॉल्व इट. नेक्स्ट, कैलकुलेट स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी, calculate specific weight, density and specific gravity of 1 liter of a liquid which weighs 7 Newton. So here given data, W equal to 7 Newton, V volume equal to 1 liter, so it is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter cube. Liter converted into meter cube. 1 liter equal to 1 upon 1000 meter cube. To find out specific gravity, density and specific gravity. Specific weight, density and specific gravity. So specific weight, we know that formula W equal to capital W by V. The 7 upon 1 upon 1000, so 7000 Newton per meter cube. Density, rho equal to W by G. Rho is equal to W by G. डेंसिटी फाइंड करना है, कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? वेट इक्वल टू डेंसिटी इंटू जी. स्पेसिफिक वेट इक्वल टू रो इंटू जी. सो डेंसिटी फाइंड करना है तो डब्ल्यू बाई जी. वी हैव वेट, स्पेसिफिक वेट 7000 अपन जी 9.81, सो इट इज 713.56 किलोग्राम मीटर क्यूब. Then last is specific gravity. So density of liquid and density of water. So we have value of density of liquid 713.56 divided by 1000, so it is 0.7135. So S is equal to 0.7135. So in this way we can find different type of properties of liquid like specific gravity, density and specific weight.